Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Argos credit cards account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. Now there search for myargoscard.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. And once you search for it, you will be directly taken to a login interface. Now there type in your login ID and your surname. If in case you have forgotten your login ID, you can recover it by tapping on forgotten your login ID link. Now once you're done with typing in your credentials, tap on next button. Now the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully logged into your Argos credit cards account. Now that's it for this video. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.